An epoxy floor coating makes a big difference on a garage floor. The first step to applying one is cleaning the concrete with a pressure washer to remove the dirt and grime. To continue the cleaning, this kit includes a citrus-based cleaner that mixes with water to scrub the floor and neutralize oil and other stains that might hinder the epoxy from bonding with the concrete. Once the floor is completely dry, it's ready for the epoxy. A two-part epoxy like this requires that you mix a hardening agent into the coating before application. That mix begins with a chemical reaction. The reaction will continue until the epoxy is completely hard, so there's no time to waste. Quickly apply the coating with a 3/8 inch nap roller over a small area at a time. You can use a brush to cut in around the edges. While the epoxy is still wet, sprinkle the decorative flakes over the surface before continuing to the next area. Besides adding a pop of color, these flakes also disguise blemishes in the concrete and offer a little more traction than a slick gloss coating. Continue applying the coating and flakes until the whole floor is covered. Once it's complete, be sure to follow the manufacturer's directions about how long to wait before allowing traffic on the floor.